Okay, so for aligning the tire with the handlebar, all you have to do is loosen these two Allen screws with a 4mm Allen key. You just place it here and loosen these two up. Once it is loose, you come up here and you hold the tire between your legs, and now you can move the stem. Sure, your stem will be tightened here. So now you can move it and align it with the tire. Once it is aligned, just hold it there and tighten these screws. Now tighten these enough so it won't get loose again with an impact or anything like that. And that's it. Now for making sure that this stem part comes all the way down, it might be that this is bent from here. So for this, I would suggest getting any kind of flat tip screwdriver, maybe like this. Now once you have this, all you have to do is place it here and move this part a little bit out. Once you have enough room here, it will start sliding all the way down.